Now we're going to use our pat gels with our molds, because you can also use them with nail art molds. And I'm going to give you an example here. So we used pat gels. I have a neon palette. Now, before we get popping, what we do have to do is we have to get our pat gels. We have to get some UV resin gel, or just like a soft UV gel. And we're going to mix it with our pat gel. And we do that so that it can cure fully. So you just add a little bit of the resin gel and whatever color you want. This one is a neon palette. I really like this one. So let's add a little bit of this. We will need to keep this away from the camera. What color don't we have in here? We could pick a different one. You know what? I have like a glass tinted one, I think. We'll use that one. So not bad, but I'm just going to add just a smidge more. Put our top back on. There we go. Now, when we're putting we do need a mold. You can use these little hearts, and we'll use this one right here and do this little guy there. Now, when I'm doing this, I do like to use a dotting tool. And we're using a dotting tool because we want to make sure we get it in there. The reason we thin everything out is to make sure we can get a good cure. So we're just going to take our time and fill it. And I'm like not over pressing. I do like a little silicone mold. You can look at it from the back too. When I'm looking for bubbles. Looking for bubbles. Okay, that's good. And you do not need a ton. And to make it so you don't have a ton to clean up, you're just going to clean it off that way. And we just scraped. It's all done. And it's soft. It ain't supposed to be all hard. And it's not sticky in the back. All right, so let's use it. We got this crystal color from D&D. Okay, so we got our chrome proof mat already cured up. We're going to grab our pat gel, one of my favorite ones that I know does the chrome look. Work it into our plate. Let's grab our scraper and go to the side. to the side. Grab our stamp. And I'm going to take my stamp and line it up. See how it's kind of sticking to it? Yeah, it does that. Once like the stamper starts getting old, I'm going to pop this in my lamp out. I got some turquoise chrome here. I really wanted something that popped. Y'all see that? And I still have some of that blue design on there. So that blue palette, that palette will chrome also. Then I'm going to take, you know, for this, we'll do a little build in the bottle. And honestly, I keep this one on hand just for that. Like I actually do not do builder sets with it. I really just keep it to put stuff in it. So we're going to encapsulate our chrome and also take our little, it's like really soft too. Take our little guy. I'm going to use my tweezers. And stick them right over that little circle. He's got real good contact on there. I can hold it down like this. When I put him in the lamp, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hold this. That way we got really good contact, but also I don't want to have my fingerprints in it. And he's on there. Now, honestly, you could have put this right in the top coat, but I do want him actually shiny. You don't have to have him shiny. You can just top coat around the edges and then get your striper brush and top coat in between, like up in there. But I am going to go ahead and make my whole little situation top coat. But you don't have to. Silicone mold, you can do raised letters. I wonder what one would look like if it was hot pink. A, B, C. My name starts with a C. Let me cure that. This is how it came out. Super cute. These are our other ones. This guy never got top coated. You can top coat it, but you can leave it. Same with that. And then for this, we would need something soft, like a soft gel or something on the back to make sure we get all the pieces. Put some matte. Let's see. Turn it over. Grab our tweezers. Roll it. Oh, Easy. That'd be real easy to put on a nail. You can also just use base coat. But I feel like the pieces would have came out without it. Oh, yeah. Very interesting. I do like these little molds. Anyways, that's all for today's video. These are the nails that we actually ended up doing. If you have any questions below, and I'm going to put literally everything I use down below so you can grab it too. Toodles!